Are you BTech, MCA or BCA, pursuing or pass out? Then join Rajasthan's leading IT training company, Technoglobe, for 6 weeks to 6 months program, in any of the technology like PHP, Full Stack, Python, Java, .Net, Android, Data Analyst, Digital Marketing, Data Science, or Salesforce. Work on live projects under guidance of senior trainers, and get 100% placement in any of our 100 plus associate companies. Technoglobe is authorized by Rajasthan Technical University for internships, and it is also authorized partner of Microsoft, HPE, Autodesk and Adobe. Technoglobe has more than 30 centers across Rajasthan, 1 center in Canada, and head office at Gopalpura, Jaipur. So hurry up, get trained from industry leader, and let the jobs chase you. For details about any program, or your nearest center, call on 1800 572 9697.